I'm coming now, sir. Yes, Mr. Collins, I'm coming. Please, I'm having some issues. There's a car my mechanic friend gave to me to use for an event. And the owner of the car got to know about it, and she got aware. So he came up with some issues, and I'm trying to resolve it, sir. Yes, sir. Okay, no problem, sir. I have to join her, sir. She's waiting for me right now. All right, I'll be with you shortly. Thank you, sir.
Madam Queen, please. I'm very sorry. Whatever she told you is the truth. I just have to give them your car so that she and her brother, they will not miss the appointment, so that their movement will be faster. And then no verse, no go happen again. Please.
Let this be the first and last time you try this nonsense with me. My keys.
See, I beg, no verse. You know go happen again. See, I don't talk to her now, she don't hear. The most important thing is say you don't run your matter.
I hear you now, I hear you.
Well, find me something now.
Who should be find me something? She tell you say later now. I don't get money now.
Don't be later now.
Don't go, they disgrace me.
Don't see now, person don't come. I don't beg.
I don't. They go. We'll see later. I get appointment. Bye.
What those kind of if now 5K may you give me now, Today you now just talk to person now. Person don't come out now. No go even give me something.
Hey, everything is fake. The life is a game. All not judge, they want to make you believe they are high class chicks. They are high class. Nothing is real. These are girls who can pay their bills. Keep living a borrowed life. Nothing is real about these girls. Hey, they keep living a fake life, fake life, fake life.
What took you so long?
Sir, I'm sorry for keeping you waiting. I wanted to tell you that we should see tomorrow because I'm not in a good mood. Like, I'm so in a very bad mood right now. But you insisted, that was why I came. You know, say you be chairman now. I get to obey you.
It's all right. You're here already, okay? It's about your friend. She has started again. I mean, she's been avoiding my calls for the past 2 days. Is this how she behaves?
Now, Oga Collins, you're supposed to know the reason why she's acting up, why she's doing like this. You know now.
Tracy, if I know, I wouldn't invite you here.
Well, she told me that she met you in her best friend's house. And then she was surprised that, you're her father, her best friend's father. And she got scared. She told me that she's no longer interested in this relationship, but that she does not think she will be able to do it. And she does not want to cause problem between you and your daughter.
Tracy, I chose not to get married again after I lost my wife some years ago, But recently my daughter has been pressuring me that I should get married. And as you know, I love this your friend. We are running things very well, so I consider her to be the right candidate. I've actually spoken to her about it. Yes.
Chairman, you see, that's my friend, Wendy. I've known her for over 6 years. And to be truthful, she will not accept this marriage thing you're talking about. She no agree marry you. Seriously, she will not accept to marry you at all. Because she's the kind of person that loves to keep relationship She doesn't want to have issues between you and your daughter. You're supposed to understand now. You not be like me. If not me now, I should just tell me I go jump enter. You know now. Once. Marry you once. I'm not, you know me, I don't care about what anybody says. Me, I'm not saying anybody.
It's all right, but why are you that sure that she will not accept? You talk to her first. Let me have the opportunity to talk to her one-on-one.
All right, Chema, no shaking. I will talk to her.
It's all right.
You don't get wahala.
Okay. So where are you going from here?
I want to go and see a friend.
Let me take you.
Chema. Hey, Chema, today like you. You're not correct guy.
Hey, everything is fake. The life is a game. They want to make you believe they are high class chicks. They are high class. Nothing is real. These are girls who can pay their bills. Keep living a modern life. Nothing
who's
is
there?
real about
Tracy's
these
there.
girls.
Come in.
They keep living a fake life.
How did they go with them now?
I got to the mechanic and he covered me up. My dear, the girl collected her car and left. Can imagine. Well, there was no issues, no quarrel, nothing.
Alright. Thank God now. I was worried. You know, I called you, called. You didn't pick any of your calls. Before I called this last time and you said you were already close to the house.
My dear, if I knew it were her car, I wouldn't have collected it from the mechanic. I for no near him at all. Can you imagine the embarrassment? A whole me, first class chick. Hey! Oh, no. Had it been I did not sell my car, if not for all this family matter when they my head, my dear, she for not near me. She for not dust me one bit. She wouldn't have had the guts.
I trust your vibes.
You
now.
trust that?
It's okay. Just forget about all of that, alright?
Yeah.
You know, your own car is coming. Definitely.
Amen, no.
Better clean right, better than that.
G-Wagon.
I did tell you, Tracy, and one thing, don't ever regret whatever thing you're doing for us. Okay? We have you in our prayers even more than we do for ourselves.
Thank you.
And I believe those prayers will definitely work out something for you.
Yeah.
Keep to it. Let me just go inside and change.
All right.
Tired.
No wahala. Okay.
Hello, Wendy. Good evening. How are you? Adele, where wanna leave me? You're laughing, eh? It's funny you. Anyways, Beauty told me you came. Hope she will study very well. And that's fine. I am back now. Yeah, I'm back. Oh, why not you come over this weekend? Oh, that's fine. Just let me know when it's convenient for you, all right? Sure. Yeah, because Beauty is on leave now, so she'll always be around to host you. I'm around too. Come on. I want to see you. Oh, that's fine. All right, you take care of yourself, all right? See you soon. Bye. This girl. I'm really glad to see you, big girl.
Hi, friend.
I'm fine.
Where are you going to?
I'm going to my shade. The sun is really much. That's why I'm standing here.
Okay, do you mind if I drop you off?
No, thank you. I have my friends up here with me.
I know. I just want to help.
Like I said before, thank you. Is there anything you want from me?
No, I just want you to be my friend.
And what if I say I'm not interested in your friendship?
Are you scared of being my friend?
No? Why should I be scared?
So why are you refusing a help from a gentleman? I understand. Let's go, please. Okay? Okay, let's go. Please. All right.
Bros, thank you for bringing me here.
Mention not. It's my duty.
Thank you.
So we are friends now, right?
Sure, we are friends.
So when do I call you?
You can call me anytime, but definitely not at night.
All right. I respect your wish.
Thank you.
I'll see you later then.
All right.
Take care of yourself.
You too.
Start off trouble. My girl.
Bye. Sister, welcome.
Who was that?
One of my customers.
Did you go out with him?
No, sister. He saw me on the way coming to the shade, so he decided to help me.
You have to be very careful. You know, these guys, they are looking for someone who they want to mess with. And I don't want you to be in that position.
Sister, trust me, I can never fall for their scheme. I cannot.
Okay, anyway, I need you to help me do something at home. Just pack up, let's go, eh? Just go.
Hey, everything is fake. The life is a game. Oh, not judge, they want to make
No,
you.
there is now for you. Are you the one saying this kind of thing? I know now. Look, babe, you know once cash is involved, count me in. I ready. Okay. How many girls do you want? Okay. And I don't discuss price because how the package won't be. You know, say I may be queen of this thing. Look, no darling. Now my money go dey the highest. Yes. Alright. You dey laugh. I beg. Get out from my phone. We'll talk later now. Alright, bye.
Tracy, we need to talk
About what now?
about many things.
Okay, go ahead. I'm listening.
Look, I don't want you to be angry. I am your brother. And as your brother, I am concerned about you.
Look, Ben. Will you just go straight to the point, please?
Ever since I came into this house, you never for one day dress properly and go to work. Rather than party, and most time come in the middle of the night. Look, let me tell you, even your conversation, all you talk about is hook up things with men that has money. All of this got me worried. You know, look, and that's the reason why you need to tell me, as your brother, what type of work do you do?
Oh, Ben, I don't understand. What kind of question is this?
Because I don't want to believe that my sister is into runs.
Ben, I don't understand. Are you a spy? No, are you trying to monitor my life? They're saying you come from village.
Sister, I am not trying to monitor you. I am not.
So what are you trying to do? Huh? Tell me, what are you trying to do? Trying to know the kind of job that I do? Yes, is that what you're trying to say?
That is it.
Okay. Fine. If you want to know, I'll tell you. Are you okay?
Yes.
Yes, you are right. Most of my calls were all about hookups and, runs and men with cash. Yes. This girl you're seeing right here is a big-time runs girl. That is what I do to earn a living. And that is the same money I use to train you in school, to send to mama, to take care of the younger ones and everyone. That's how I hustle to live my life. I don't even have any savings. I don't even have an establishment. I don't have a car to call my own because the family load is too much for me. Everything is just, I don't know what to do right now, Ben. Please. Please.
I'm really sorry. I didn't mean to put you in this state. Please. I'm sorry.
It's fine. I just need to be left alone. Please.
Look, sis, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to.
Oh, please, it's fine. It's okay, Ben. Please. I just, you don't need to explain yourself. I just need to be left alone, please. Please.
No shortcut in life.
Hello. Please excuse me. Can I have a chat with you, please?
What do you want?
First, thank you very much for agreeing to give me a listening ear. I appreciate it from my heart.
So what is it you want to talk about?
See, I will just go straight to the point, alright? Straight to the point. You remind me a lot about one of my childhood friends. Her name is Grace. Anytime I see you around this environment with this Coca-Cola shape, the boss might remind me those memories I had with that girl in our childhood friend days.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay. So, where is she?
I don't know. Ever since she relocated, no number, no contact. I don't even know where she is. Yeah.
I understand now. I'm sorry about that. Don't worry, just have faith. One of these days, you two will meet again.
I hope so. Meet again. Come on now. It's not possible.
Okay, so can I go now?
No, see, look. You're beautiful. Really beautiful. Wow.
Thank you.
You really have a lovely smile. I'm telling you. And I like that. You know what? See, I'm really sorry. I was carried away with you. This your beautiful smile and everything beautiful about you. You know these vibes now. So I forgot to introduce myself. My name is Bernard. What's your name?
Okay. You can call me Kemi.
Kemi. Nice to meet you, Kemi.
Same here.
Sweet girl. At least, can I have your number so we can,
Let me have your phone. I'll just type it.
Your number. Your WhatsApp number. Did you save it?
You save it yourself.
Okay, me. You know what? I will give you a call.
What are you doing with my girl?
Come on, who the fuck are you now? Who the hell are you?
Excuse you? What did I just hear? Who is your girl? Huh? See, as far as I'm concerned, your history now. Please, allow the young man breathe. Can't you see how cute he is? Huh?
You heard her now. Past, nigga. You passed, bro.
Stop! Are you okay? What kind of embarrassment is that?
See. Fuck you!
Jesus. Don't touch me now. Take it.
What happened to you? What's this?
Jesus. I was just by the corner with the girl. Before I knew it, one huge guy came and what I noticed was a huge punch. You know me now? I had to fight back. But the guy overpowered me. Not until the girl begged for my help. And the guy now leave me alone.
Hey. Thank God your teeth are still intact too. Eh? Go inside.
Surely my teeth is still intact. Do you want my teeth to pull out before? Eh? Your teeth they tire me, say.
Which one be say my teeth they tire you, sef? Eh? You dey form vuga, they form vugele. I beg, go and freshen up, my friend. You won't fight too big past you. See head. Which kind of nonsense be so now?
Hey, everything is fake. The life is a game. Oh, not judge. They want to make you believe they are high class chicks. They are high class. Nothing is real.
Oh, you're welcome.
Thank you for the treat. Come on.
You're really a nice girl, and it sounds like a good madam.
What's that now? I'm not a troublesome person, no. Please. I've never ever been troublesome. In fact, but why do you say good girl? Come on now. I'm not Madam Good Girl.
Okay, you know what? I have something for you.
Okay, what's that?
Yeah. Take this. Since you say you have enough with you, I want you to give this to your younger sister.
Thank you so much. I'm sure she will appreciate it. Thank
You're
you.
welcome. No, this is nothing.
Oh my God, thank you. Thank you.
I have more of this for you.
Really?
Trust me.
Thank you. She will so much appreciate it. Thank you
you're
so
welcome.
much. All right then. Thank you.
I'm so happy to meet you.
Me too. All right.
All right. Let me run along, okay?
All right, darling. Take it.
No. Run along to where? Hello, Mr. Man. I wasn't talking to you.
Of course I know you were not talking to me. But what are you doing with my girl?
What is this now? Why are you embarrassing me? Who is your girl? Please, oh.
So, it's because of this idiot that you've been ignoring my calls.
I don't want any explanation. Please. What is this now? Ha!
My girl, you owe me a lot of explanation.
As what now? Your wife, your babe, your daughter, or your concubine. Which one? Pick one, ABC or D. Which one?
Mr. Man, you're really causing a lot of trouble here. Please leave here.
Idiot. Next time you will learn how to mind your business. Idiot.
Sorry, oh. Hey. Hey, sorry, eh? Oh, so hard. Sorry, oh, sorry. Mama. Why you called me this morning is because of this. Because I lied about my job. Mama, everything I do is because of you people. Yes. Look, the job I was doing before, my salary could not even take up the whole responsibility because the responsibility is just too much for me, Mama. Why are you sounding like this? I do everything to bring comfort to you. I send money to you every week. Even the ones in the university, I send them money. I know how much I spent every month, Mama. I calculated it. Everything I have been spending, when I sat down to calculate it, it's over 700,000 naira. Mama, look. I'm not in a good mood right now. Please. I'm not just in a good mood. Please. You're shouting Jesus. Hey, now. I'll call you back, please.
Babe, no verse. I'm sorry. Yesterday you called me, I wasn't in a good mood. I mean, I was just... My guy, no be me there, beg. No be me did I yesterday. How you did now? Oma. That babe now, the one I told you. Yes. The moment that girl found out I was responsible for that setup, the girl hates me like no other. I say she hates me. She don't use how I see myself. Of course. Give up? Bro, you know me, I don't give up. I will continue. Oh, come on, man. You know me too well. I'll continue hustling. For that kunkum, my brother, with idea. I go the hustle and the hustle. One day she's gonna give in. You know me, and I'm good at that. I'll pamper her. I'll pet her. Make her feel she's the queen of this entire world, you know. Make her feel good. No, she must give me my guy. I must, come on now, you know me now. I must chop that girl. When I don't come finish, you know the right thing now. You know the right me. When I don't finish, I go come discharge her. On to the next. Yeah. No worry. It's fine. Yeah. No, not to worry. I got this under control. Yeah. I'm gonna give her one reach, I will call you back. Alright, peace. It's only going to take a little while, but I must chop you.
Hey! Stop there. What are you still doing here? I thought I gave you soft drink and biscuits.
Yes, you did. I came back because I need water, please.
You need water?
Water.
I'm coming.
Okay.
You can have it. Don't pay, please.
Oh, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Okay, bye. Hey, my boss. Hey! Stop there!
Tracy, what is it? The way you sounded on the phone is as if you had a fight with someone.
Yes, I had a fight. Why would you tell Mama that I do wrongs? Why did you tell her the kind of job that I do is to sleep with men and get paid? What kind of nonsense is that?
Tracy,
what is wrong with you?
because
They said you come from village.
I had to call her. I want you to stop. I had to call Mama because Mama is the only person that can talk to you.
Hey,
yes.
You had to call Mama because Mama is the only person that can talk to me. Okay, now clap for yourself. Begin to clap. You have done well. You have done marvelously well because now that you've told her, her baby will not rise. Look, let me tell you something. Let it sink into your head. If anything happens to that woman, you have me to contend with.
Nothing will happen to Mama.
Nothing will happen to her.
Nothing will happen to her.
As I said, you come from village now. You will go back village. Nonsense.
thief where?
Where's my purse?
Boss.
That you took.
Auntie, which kind of insult be this one now?
Give me my purse.
Which kind of insult be this one now? Leave me alone. Come where? Come where? Leave me alone. Leave me alone.
This man take my purse. This man take my purse. Where's my purse? Is this a joke for you?
I don't understand. See, wait, make I talk, I beg. I go her shop, so I come buy this. She give me coke and water. You understand? I come from there, they come out now. She come begin shout, say, ole, thief. And madam, which kind of wahala be this one now? What did I do you?
Bros, good afternoon. This mumu come my shop. I give her water free and drink. Now, this man come out. Now I can't notice say my purse they miss.
Your purse?
And I'm suspecting that he's the one that took my purse.
Wait. Now.
I go wait this man. Hey, this man, Chuku ga boku. Oyo she thief. Huh? He stole my money.
I go put that for your body. I go put that. Boss. I can't put it.
Don't. Oh my God. Oh no.
Wendy, why are you crying? Did you lose someone?
Tracy. Emeka. Emeka is dead.
Emeka, dead? How?
Emeka was burnt to ashes by some youths.
Are you serious? What happened? What did he do?
They said
He stole someone's money. And he was caught. Just like that.
And then they burnt him to ashes.
Hey. Tracy, you needed to have been there. You needed to have been there. You needed to have seen him. He cried. He screamed for help. Somebody help me. Please quench this fire. Tracy, I just sat there watching. I couldn't even help him. I watched him burn to death. I wanted to go to him. I really wanted to go to him. But the youth restricted me.
It's okay. It's okay. I know what Emeka did to you made me develop some sort of hatred for him, but
I don't wish him dead. I don't at all. Oh my God, this is so sad. This is so disheartening. It's okay. It's okay. I can't get this image off my head.
Five plates now.
How much is it?
I want for you.
If I buy control water first.
Oh. You no put fish for the.
You know what I'm saying. You want fish.
My money no feel rich fish.
You know rich oh. Fish at 500. Buy fish.
Fish 500.
Eh.
You think say na me keep this country like this?
Customer, eat your food.
I dey eat
Enjoy.
am. You want me like give you before? Na my money I dey chop.
Mama. Hello, Mama. Good afternoon. I'm fine, Mama. How are you? Mama, your voice is not sounding well at all. Are you okay? You are sick. Again? Mama. It's when they are away that you're not feeling fine.
I'm not sure
Maybe she's not with her phone. She'll return your call immediately she sees your missed calls. Mama, this sickness again, this sickness. Seriously, you need to come to the city for proper treatment. Yes, for good medication, Mama. I don't like it. Mama, see, you just need to go for test first. Then buy some drugs for yourself. Please, I don't want anything to happen to you. I don't want to lose you now, Mama. Hi. Mama. Yes, Mama. Yes, you just need to buy drugs for yourself. Oh, no, Mama. Take care of yourself. Bye-bye.
like this, Emeka don't go. What a life.
Sad. So sad to watch. Mercy.
Hello? Hello, sister? Mama said they're not taking her calls.
Yeah, madam. Thank you.
Thank
I'll
you.
come back.
Customer, bye-bye.
Tell her I'll call her later.
Yes, sister, please do. She said she's not feeling fine. You have to call her.
Is it serious?
I don't know, but she was sounding very low on phone.
Okay. I'll call her right away.
Sister, one other thing. You see, if you take us bringing Mama to the city for proper treatment, I suggest we do that very fast. You know there is no one with her in that village.
It's okay, just drop the call. Let me call her. Let me call her back.
thank you.
Okay, sister.
What is it? Is anything the matter?
My mom says she's not fine.
Since when?
I don't know. She just told me now.
God, she can't walk like this.
Come on.
Let me call you back, Dad. What are you doing here?
Hi.
I said, what are you doing here? Queen is not around.
I'm going to see Queen. I came to see you.
What for?
I came to apologize for the embarrassment I caused you the last time, and I know I was stupid. But please find it in your heart to forgive me. Please. I'm sorry.
Okay. I've hurt you. But why do I think there's a reason behind this apology?
Reason. I know that if I saw things out with you and then we're cool, you might just help me talk to your friend so she could give me the chance to apologize and probably sort things out with her.
Why do you think that I want to talk to Queen on your behalf? And moreover, she already said she does not want to have anything to do with you. Why can't you leave her alone? There are a lot of pretty girls out there. Why Queen?
There are a lot of pretty girls out there, but there is only one Queen. That makes her exceptional.
Story. Okay, maybe you tell her that when you see her.
That's the point. Where do I find her? She has refused to see me.
Do you think I'm stupid? You want me to give you your address? Do you really think I'm stupid?
I haven't said you are. I'm only pleading. Please, for goodness sake, give me an address where I can find her. Please.
You know what? Just leave.
You said what?
I said, bounce. Leave.
Tell me what have I done to deserve this kind of life? Tell me what have I done to deserve this kind of betrayal? I don't know what to do anymore. I don't know what to do anymore. No shortcut in life.
Oga Collins, I'm just hearing this for the first time.
You mean she didn't tell you?
Not at all. Wendy only tells me things that are serious.
Look, you need to talk sense into that girl. If I catch that boy anywhere close to her, I will break his head.
Hey, Oga Collins, chairman, be calming down now. Make you calm down. Now what for you? You suppose know our paroles now. You know say na hookup we dey do. Why you dey take am serious?
Why are you asking me to calm down? I told you I want to marry her.
And I also told you, I gave you feedback that Wendy said she's not going to marry a man that is old enough to be her father.
Oh.
Yes.
She's not going to marry a man that is old enough to be her father. But she's been moving with me, eating my money.
Hey.
In any case, just talk to her. I'm ready to spend anything. I'm ready to do anything that will make her marry me. Please.
Oga Collins, leave matter for Matthias. Just forget about Wendy. Yes, forget about her. There are lots of beautiful girls out there. Sexy, girls wear package past Wendy now. Forget that, babe. Don't worry, I will hook you up with these girls. You don't need to bother yourself about things that are not important. Man, when is not important at this point? Please, forget that matter. Oh. No, they kill ourselves for all these kind of things. I beg.
Hey, everything is fake. The life is a game. Oh, na jajati, they want to make you believe they are high class chicks. They are high class. Nothing is real.
You are such a nice guy.
You can say that again. You know, I don't really joke with you, babe.
I know, right?
I love you a lot.
Say it again.
And that's all that matters.
Say it again, please.
You're so sweet.
Come here.
I really miss you.
I missed it too.
I'm telling you, you're looking so sweet.
You are such a nice guy.
You can say that again.
Come here.
Ben! What is this bitch doing here? What are you doing in my house? I'm talking to you, madam.
Is this her house?
Yeah, that's my older sister.
Hey, before I blink my eyes, Kenny, I want you to get out of my house now! I said leave! You're looking at me!
Tracy, come on! She's my girl! Take it easy!
Which one is she? Your girl?
Ben, never mind. I'll leave.
Yes, leave! What are you doing with this Olosho? See this prostitute? Ron's girl! Come meet my brother! I don't understand! My friend, get out! Look at her! Just Ben! I don't blame you. I don't blame you at all. Leave, my friend! Fuck you, Bakan.
I already said I'm leaving.
Leave! Enemy, leave! Witchcraft! Look at her! Hey, you know the shame. What can do Olosho? My brother will not have anything to do with you. Yeah, I don't understand. Close my door.
Tracy!
Tracy, what?
What kind of embarrassment?
You don't have respect.
Kemi is my guest.
Kemi is your what? Kemi is your what? I don't want to ever see you with that Olosho. Do you understand me? You never parent once before. You can't carry Olosho come my house. You know they fear. You don't get respect. Eh? You not get respect. I'm talking to you. Just imagine this boy, you. I'm talking about where you're going to.
Free me. Free me. I don't like this you're doing.
Free you how? How you want to make her free you? Go and repair yourself. Or in fact, everybody get out. Everybody get out from this house. Everybody they vex me. Which kind of nonsense? You carry Olosho come my house. Calling my enemy. What nonsense? You gonna punish all of you now. Nonsense.
What's the meaning of this? Why are you following me around? I'm talking to you. Why are you following me?
Madam, why are you blocking my way now? Can you take this thing off my way, please? Who's following you? Do I know you? Take this thing out of my way, please. Are you doing
pretending that you've not been following me around? And Maurice, I'm asking you.
Are you just going to do yourself a favor? Take this thing out of my way.
Listen to me. Don't you dare follow me around again, because if you do, I will call the cops on you to get you arrested.
Are you done? Madam Bupi here knows her, man. As much as we seem to be driving the same car, we're not mates. Take this thing out of my way.
I'm warning you. Don't you dare. Just stay with your limits.
Madam, I'm not following you. Take your car off my way. Please. You're not the owner of this road.
Just try me and see.
Move!
Try me and see.
Move!
Okay.
Ben, are you leaving?
Yeah, I'm leaving now.
I don't understand you. You like taking people by surprise. We're together since so, and now you're telling me that you're leaving. Eh? What's the meaning of this?
Well, I'm not finally leaving town, you know. I'll have to go to my friend's place first before I'll finally leave. Yeah.
Are you sure?
I'm sure.
Hope it's not because I told Kemi to leave the house or I got angry with you because of what you told Mama, what I do for a living.
Sister, man, forget those issues, I beg. They are all of the past, you know what I'm saying? How far? You know, find me something. Find me something now, sure. Find me something, how they go.
Find you something. I better stay there, they come.
50K, oh, you know, if 50K, if you even top her like 100K, you understand? Maybe one sky.
Stop coming to my house before I get you arrested for harassment. What is this? Are you missing your way to your house or something?
How else do you want me to make you understand that I'm sorry? I know I hurt you, I know I misbehaved, but please, I own up. I'm sorry. Let it go.
Forgive me. Not for the friendship? No way.
And that's why you blocked me?
Yes, that's why I blocked you. I blocked you for begging my phone for nothing. Are you this jobless or you don't have anything meaningful to do with your life?
That means, you can forgive me, we can be friends again?
You can call it whatever you want. I am running late for work. I don't have time for nonsense and jobless people.
Tell me what have I done to deserve this kind of life? Tell me what have I done to deserve this kind of hatred? I don't know what to do anymore. I don't know what to do anymore. What have I done?
I have been coming to your house to say sorry, apologize to you, and tell you how remorse I am, but you have been showing how adamant you are. It's about to turn around. The next time we meet, you will be the one apologizing to me.
Who is that person following me? This must be the handwork of Morris. Why are they following me? Oh my God. Yes, Morris. No, listen, don't queen me. What are you up to this time? You don't know what I'm talking about? Okay. Why did you send some persons after me? Why are they following me around? I see. Listen. You are the last person that I will seek help from. Please, take your good will with interior motive to someone else. I don't need it. Just stop following me around, else I'll report you to the police. For the last time, I don't need your help. I have God protecting me. Yes, I have God, and God is all that I need. I don't need your friendship. Get that into your skull. All right?
Hey, look, I am fully ready for the party. No, now, you don't say I'm a party girl now. Of course, I am going to be there, live and direct. Not be me again, Tracy. Coming! Alright, let me call you. Hey! We gonna dance party. Come on. We gonna dance party.
What is it? Babe, you don't cast. I don't understand. Which one be say you don't cast? My mom, she needs surgery. And the money needed to carry out the operation is between 5 to 6 million naira.
Now wow. Which kind of wahala be this now?
They say it's pancreatic cancer.
Pancreatic cancer. That was what killed my father.
What caused his own?
They said smoking, diabetes, family history of the cancer, and certain genetic syndrome. My father was a chain smoker. That man is smoking. Ha!
Tracy, do you know that my mom has been battling with diabetes? She didn't tell any one of us. She was hiding it from us. If not that we're informed in the hospital, we won't have known.
Can you imagine? Why didn't she tell you guys?
Said she was trying to combat it with herbal medicine.
Herbal medicine? Baby. Look, your matter and my matter. You see that money for the operation? We go hustle them out. I got your back big time.
Thank you. Thank you. You've been there for me since day one. You're like a sister that I never had. Thank you. Thank you for all you do for me. Thank you.
It's okay. You know my bloodline. I'll go to any length for you.
Thank you. Thank you. Where's your brother? I'm not seeing him anywhere.
Oh, don't mind that guy. He left this morning.
That means he didn't even stay long at all.
Though he did not go to the village. He said he wanted to go and see his friends so he can stay like a week or so.
Now big boy now. He went to flex with his friends.
I beg you not consign him. Baby. What about your friends? Why don't you talk to them, Beauty and Queen? Even Mr. Collins. They might have the money and probably help.
Tracy, please. Anytime go join me and Mr. Collins. I don't want her. Just remove Mr. Collins out of the equation. That one I no go area, please.
Yeah, now. If you say so. Look, babe, see, there's this party tonight. There's some of this, rich dude that is organizing party and they need fine babes. Are you in or out?
Hey, which kind of question be that one now? I don't understand you.
You say you need the money now.
As I did like this, so any hookup when it just arrive, my hand, my leg,
I dey inside. Everything dey. Babe, I need the. You know, say I need the money now. I need money badly. In fact, I need that like yesterday. I be which time we take dey go the place?
No worry, money go come. No worry, we'll soon go. We need to.
I make I go change. Come back.
Guy, I want for you. Now when I want to upgrade to your level, I know they see girls again. How you take run your own now? You mean my car? My car they learn where your own day now. My own not toy now. Where your own day? Tell me how you take run the level now. All right, I will talk to you later. You hear from me soon, okay? Beautiful, beautiful. All right.
Hey, everything is fake. The life is a game. All not judgy. They want to make you believe they are high class chicks. They are high class. Nothing is real. These are girls who can pay their bills. Keep living a borrowed life. Nothing is real about these girls. Hey, they keep living a fake life, fake life, fake life, fake life. Nothing is real, oh. Nothing is real. Nothing is real, oh. Nothing is real. They keep living a fake life, fake life, fake life. Nothing is real, oh. Nothing is real. The more you look, the less you see.
Bros.
Hi.
Bros, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. How are you?
I'm fine. How much belly you want?
I want 2 big ball and 2 fish.
Okay, wait, make I go do it for you.
All right.
Edward, what are you doing here?
You know him?
Yes, now he's my friend.
Young man, please. I do not want to ever see you in this shade ever again. Because it's obvious at this point, your intentions are not genuine.
Wait. Is this how you talk to your customers? Today is the first day you're seeing me here and you're talking to me like this.
Today is not your first day here. This is the 3rd time I'm seeing you here. The first time was when you dropped her in this same shade and stood there for a really long time having a conversation with her. I stood over there and I was watching you. The 2nd time was when you dropped her off again. And now I'm seeing you here again. Or is it your ghost that is here, Oga? I don't want you here. Don't do. I just think the only way you sell bole for this town. I better go buy bole for another place. I don't want to sell this place. This bole is off limits.
You don't talk to customers like that
Tracy,
now.
I will not stand here and watch this thing insult
you. Can as well like that and watch insult you. When did your customer? What is your problem? I don't want to say bole give again. I don't understand your shade with this.
I want for you.
I beg.
Your blood too hot.
Sister.
I said keep quiet there. Keep quiet. Wow. How is Mama?
Mama is fine. She's at home.
Are you sure she's okay now? Okay, let's go and see her then. Let's go to the house.
Sister, it's not fair.
If you don't keep quiet then. Your blood too dey hot. This girl, I for you.
Every time you dey vex, no, you don't pursue customer for me. Then you go dey vex, no, just calm down.
Everything is fake. The life is a game. All not judgy. They want to make you believe they are high class chicks. They are high class. Nothing is real. These are girls who can pay their bills. Keep living a borrowed life. Nothing is real about these girls. Hey, they keep living a fake life, fake life.
That girl, they provoke me. She they provoke me. Which kind of rubbish be that one now? They come like say she they do lesbian with Messi. The way she they talk to me. Fat my bad. If that girl talk to me like that again, the kind slap when I go give her, she no go believe her. She no go believe her. Which kind of rubbish talk be that one now?
Okay, Dad.
Thank you.
This are the papers.
Thank you.
This should help. Wow.
Dad.
Yes, my dear.
You know that I love you very much, right?
Of course I do. I know I love you too.
And you're not gonna get upset with what I'm going to say now.
Now you are getting me confused. Why would I get upset? Because my lovely daughter wants to talk to me.
Okay.
Spill it out too.
Okay, Dad. Dad, have you ever thought about settling down? I mean, moving from one woman to another, it's not really nice. People will start seeing you like an irresponsible person. You already said you're not gonna get angry, Dad.
So is this what you think will upset me? I mean, when you're saying the right thing? Well, as a matter of fact, I have thought about it, you know, and I've made up my mind that yes, it's time I settled down, okay? But there is only one person that can fill that vacant space, you know, and I need you to talk to her because I know she will listen to you.
Me?
Mm-hmm.
Do I know this person?
Of course you do. She's your friend.
Dad, please. Please, Dad. I hope you're not talking about Queen. Just take your eyes off her. Queen sees you as a father. Okay, Dad, just keep searching. I'm sure you'll find your choice. Let's say, someone between the ages of 40 and 50.
And who is talking about Queen here?
What are you talking about? Because, I mean, Queen is my only friend.
There is this young, sweet, and charming girl. What's her name again? Wendy. The girl that met me here the other day.
Wendy? But, Dad, Wendy and I are singing mates. As a matter of fact, I'm even 2 months older than her. Dad, why do you always like these young girls? Why can't you look for someone that is more advanced? You know?
Beauty. Yes, Dad. I called you by your name, right?
Yes, Dad.
Why are you hung up with this issue of old age, young age, and all that? Don't you know that young girls these days prefer marrying older men like us? Because we can pamper them, we can take care of them. Yes, and you have not even spoken to her. No, you speak to her and try to get a response.
No, Dad. I'm not going to do that. What? Dad, I have my dignity to protect. And please, you're not even going to talk to her. Because I'm very sure that she will give you a stupid answer that you will not like. So please do not talk to her. Please.
Miss Dignity. Miss Advisor. Now you want to tell me that you are more experienced than me, you know more than me, so you are now my advisor when it comes to women affairs, right?
Dad, I'm not trying to upset you. Okay, I'm sorry. But you know, Dad, I just really want the best for you. I want you to be happy. But I can stop talking about it if you want. I drop it.
My beautiful daughter, I know you care for me and I appreciate that, okay? All I want you to do now is pray about this and play your part.
Pray? Okay. I don't mind fasting for you. Yes. So you don't fall into the hands of a wrong person.
You're not funny at all.
I'm not? Dad, I thought I was funny.
Comedian.
Okay. Dad.
It's alright.
Are you serious or are you joking?
How can I be joking? I am 100% serious. Do you know at first, when he said, your friend, I thought he was talking about you until he mentioned her.
That will not happen at all. Wendy will embarrass him. And he shouldn't even think of approaching her.
That my father does not have shame at all.
Even me will not be not at the shame for her. On his behalf. BH.
It's just that these young girls is just so attached to them. And I really want him to stop.
Duty, I agree with you. You shouldn't let this happen at all. You know, your father should go for an advanced lady.
That's my point.
That will love and respect him instead of these young girls of our age.
I don't know. I just pray that one day God just make him have a change of mind from Wendy or any other young girl.
Amen. A massive amen.
Hey, everything is fake. The life is a game. All night, jajati, they want to make you believe they are high class chicks.
See, guy, now 1.5 million naira we dey talk about here. I beg, send me the money to my account and. Oscar, I'll call you back. Hello, pretty angel. Whoa. I couldn't get my eyes off your astonishing beauty. You just captured me, like I couldn't.
I beg, bros, I beg. Just go straight to the point. No can they speak all this your English, not the dictionary. I don't understand. I have somewhere I'm going to.
Calm down now. Your blood to the hot. The last time I saw you, you were seriously pissed. You were angry. I know you were pissed by someone, but calm down at least. Anyways, I would love us to hang out.
Hey. It depends on the kind of hangout you want.
I want to spend the night with you.
Ha! Hey! Now your money kill am. Now your money speak loud for you. If you get the money, no problem.
So how much are we talking about here?
300,000 naira.
300,000 naira.
Sharp.
How about we do it like this? And we add 50k to that of 300,000 naira. Yes.
Serious? No problem, now you get me everything.
Wow.
Hey.
I like that. That's what I want to hear.
And if I not get anywhere where I go.
Are
now
you
you
serious?
Get yes.
So you mean like this now? You are ready to follow me anyway?
Nah. See, you know check me.
Oh,
hey, God.
Hey! 400,000. 400,000 naira.
Okay.
Wait, let me go and open the door for you.
Okay.
Whoa! No, this cannot. Wait. Let me. You don't need to stress yourself. I got you.
No problem.
I got you.
Hey, God, I beg.
Yes, so don't stress yourself. Don't worry, I will come and pick you up from there. Wait. Come this way. Come this way. Oh, my yellow 60. Oh, take it easy. Don't hurt yourself. Okay?
All right. Oh.
So I will take you anywhere you want to go today, okay?
Yes.
Wow. Sweet you carry. Milk factory. Factory fitted Bobby Lashley. Wahala. When I am done with that Bobby today.
They keep living a fake life.
better picking. Customer. I've been holding you now.
I'm sorry, I heard you though. Sorry. Good evening.
Good evening. I've been holding you now.
Sorry, I heard you though. How are you? Good
I'm
evening.
I'm all right. How you doing?
I'm fine.
It's like you stay around here.
Yes, my place is not far from
Oh,
there.
somewhere there.
Yeah.
All right. In that case, my opportunity to get to know where you stay. So,
No, sorry. We don't welcome strangers in our house.
you just broke my heart. I mean, how can you call me a stranger with all these customer doings? Bole today, bole tomorrow, bole on a regular. Okay, let me just get to know your place. That's it.
No, you're a stranger to me. You are. You're just a customer.
Okay.
Yeah.
Stranger, customer, bole. That's all right. But at least I can have your number, call you anytime.
My number?
Please.
No. Bye.
Wait. What's there? I mean, just to call you. Okay, let's assume I want to call you to deliver bole. These days people don't go to shop. Special delivery, bole delivery. I make a call and then you deliver bole to the house.
All right, that's
full
fine.
package.
That's fine. I'll give you.
Uh-huh.
Here's your phone.
Thank you.
Hello? Wendy. Wendy, are you? What for? How's everyone now? How's your mom? Oh, I really sleep before. I don't tire. Hope she's getting better. Okay. I'll be sending you 200k. I mean, may just hold down first. Use not a body. You understand? No, just gather the money small. Say no runs for now. Better runs. Better payment never start. To never come. Say I'm not going to do all these cheap runs of that kind 30, 50k now. That one too small for me now. I don't pass that level. Oh, Allah. So how you do? Hope you're fine. Yeah. Hey, what's up now with you and Mr. Collins? You don't fit talk to him. Why now? Abi, you want me to help you talk to him? I feel help you talk to her on your behalf now. No wala. I beg you. I don't tire. I been go one paro last night. All my body they pay me almost. The guy won't finish me. They raise my leg, they scatter everywhere. I'll call you, but I'm not asleep. Alright, now take care. Bye.
Better picking. Sorry. I thought this is better picking. She just gave me this number now. I mean, I used to buy bole. Please, can you give the phone to the owner of the phone? Now that girl where they say bole now. So. Oh. Okay. Now me better pikin look finish, can't give wrong number. 10. 10. I go find you and I go chop you.
Make you slow down, slow down. No shortcuts in life. Make you take 'em J. Life no be by force. Anything you want you go get. You need to slow it down. Sister, you don't need to rush. Oh. The desire for flashy things. If it go put you for trouble. Sister, slow it down.
Hey, Chimo! So now you don't tell when I dey pray to God, say, make I find the girl where they sleep with my husband. Since the day when I pay spy to spy on that person that is be sleeping with my husband, today I don't catch you. Why is it that young beautiful girls like you will just open legs for every man to sleep with, especially men that are old enough to be your own father?
Madam, are you talking to me? Because I feel you're mistaking me for someone else. Like, are you talking to me?
How can I mistake you for someone else?
And please, you're embarrassing me. What is all this?
You are the one! You didn't say I depend me. You are the one. You are that girl. Hey, today na today.
Mama, it's okay.
Ashawa kobo. Oh no, show.
What is she talking? Madam, it's okay. What are you talking? What is your own?
Mama,
she's the one now.
Mama, this is not.
Madam, wait, make I show you. The picture they sent to me is in my memory card. Look at it. She's the one.
Why are you embarrassing my daughter?
What is this?
Why are you embarrassing my daughter?
I'm telling you what happened.
And I will slap you again.
You slapped me. You slapped my husband. I will slap you. You slapped my husband. Like mother, like daughter. Embarrass yourself for this street.
Madam, you don't see me. What happened? Madam, what happened?
You see, say you don't. You think say you say. You I go show you. I go show you. I go show you.
Leave out for my sister, I'm fine, no. We're gradually improving, and the doctor advised us to get the money for the surgery, and he's saying we should do it really fast because there's really no time. How much have you made so far? 2 point something. Look, don't worry. Before the end of next month, the money will be completed. Amen. No, I pray so. Pray so. Amen. You have extra millions to do the run-ins. From your mouth to God's ears. Amen. Just have faith. I was thinking, you know those my friends now, Beauty and Queen. I was thinking I should go and see them. Perhaps, maybe I can get something from that side. You know now. Well, I want you to follow me. Go there. No. I don't fit do that kind of work at all. You know, say me and Beauty, that girl, no, they align where I beg. I can't. Okay, no, well, now make I just run go. Yeah. Hope you're not angry. No, now I understand. No, I understand. So let me get something for you too. Maybe when I come back. Let me just. Time is of the essence. Let me just quickly go there and see what will come out of it.
Make you slow down, slow down. No shortcuts in life.
Seeing the three of us together reminds me of when we were in the university.
Yeah.
In the same room.
I know, right? I was just about to say the same thing. You know, it brings these old memories.
Yeah, it does.
And I can remember when you used to help us do our projects. Another students in school back then.
Stop. That was back in the day. That was then when person don't get plenty things. Right now, it choke.
Anyway,
you're welcome.
Anyways, feel comfortable, feel at home.
And this place is your home, right?
Exactly, yeah. She's a big girl too.
You know, you guys, you have a way of making one feel at home. Thank you.
Aww.
Beauty. Queen. I do not live in an estate like I told you both. I actually live in a room and parlor with a roommate. I'm into, or rather, I sell bolly. That's the business I do. Also, I do not have a car. The car you saw me with is not my car. It was rented. The truth is, you guys looked really successful, and it felt like I was a failure. So I thought of faking it, so I'll feel important. It wasn't my intention to do so, but circumstances just made me do that, and I'm truly sorry that I had to make you girls believe that that was my life, but this is me. I have nothing. This is the real me.
I said it. Beauty, I said it. You remember that day that I came back and I told you I saw someone who looked like her at a bole shade. Did you remember? So you are a fake girl. That's it.
It's okay. It's fine. But come on, Wendy. You don't need to fake your life to impress people. That's not cool at all. The fact that you did that because you couldn't get a job does not make you a bole seller. I don't see you as that. That is not your destiny. I see you as a CEO and not a plantain seller or bole seller. Yes. Thank you. You always had your way with words. Thank you so much for saying that. I feel relieved now that that is out of the way. I know this might sound unreasonable or greedy or cliche, but I need your help, both of you. Help? Yes. I need some serious help right now. What help do you want? I need money. 6 million naira. What? Yeah, I know it sounds crazy, yeah. Well, but would you need such huge amount of money for?
What do you need it for?
Yeah.
That's my question too.
Okay. Justified. Truth is, my mom, she has cancer. And this morning, I went to see the doctor in charge of her case. And he said that I needed to bring in that money really urgently so that they could perform her surgery. So, and as of this point, I don't have that money. I have just 2.2 million naira. I still need 3.8 million naira. I don't know where to get it from. Please, I need your help, please. I'm so sorry. I'm very sorry. Thank you. Okay, but I can support you with 1 million naira. But I don't know about Queen. Do you? What you say?
Thank you. 1 million naira.
Yes.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Come on, it's okay.
Thank you. You're a lifesaver. That would go a really long way.
Come
God
on.
bless you. Thank you.
You're my friend. It's okay. Thank you. Calm down. Please.
As for me, I don't believe you. Beauty, can't you see that she's trying to get some money from us? I mean, if this girl is a scam, she just came up with a touching story so that we can give her all of our money. She wants to belong. She wants to be a city girl. I don't believe you, I'm sorry.
Queen,
Yes.
you think I would lie to you? I was raised well by my parents. I will never, ever lie about something like that. I wouldn't even use my mom for something like that. Why would I want to say my mom has cancer? A deadly one at that. Why?
It's story for the gods.
You know what? It's fine. I understand. Beauty. Thank you for the money you said you wanted to give me, but it's not necessary. You can keep it, and you guys just have a good day. Thank you so much. Thank you. God bless you. Thank you.
Well, wait. Hold
Thank
on.
you.
And what was the meaning of that? If you didn't want to assist her, why would you talk to her like that?
Wendy, I am not you that can fall easily for any stupid, cheap touching stories. I am not like you. I can see who she is. She's a liar. And she's not getting a penny from me. That's it.
Queen.
But
Wendy can lie about something like that. Cancer? No, come on, that's too much.
From estate to bole, now to cancer. They know the right time for face, my girl. I not trust them. That's it. Harvest. Mother Christmas. I get better things to do. I know what to invest my money.
You know what? You're just impossible.
No shortcut in life.
I don't understand though. Where did they walk Queen? If she not get she should not go close her mouth. I mean she they meant. Eh? Ha.
I regretted going there.
Me, I regretted not following there. Because if to say I did there, don't give her one kind of blow for her mouth and she don't get mad to talk. Which kind of nonsense be that one now?
But you know sir, for not allow you to do that kind of thing now.
Which one be say if for not allow me to do that kind of thing? I don't understand. So why did you reject the 1 million naira? That will go a long way for us, you know that.
I don't need your money. They can keep it to themselves.
I don't understand. Your own day, your body. Wait. We're actually looking for money to save your mother's life. Person give you 1 million naira because of her annoying friend. You rejected it. For what now? Come, it be like say you was past Queen. Seriously. I don't understand you now, babe.
Hello, Wendy. I'm sorry for taking time to call you. I've been very busy. I'm very, very busy. I'm sorry. How are you doing? Hi, it's Mom. Babe, don't worry. Mom will be fine, okay? There's this business me and my friend is planning tonight. And once it's successful, consider your mom operation done. Okay? Everything will be fine. I promise you that. Yes, everything will be fine. Don't worry about anything. And in case you need a car for the whole trip, for your mom's operation and everything,
consider it done, I will do that for you. I will provide a car for you. I will do that, definitely. In case if you need me, just let me know. I don't want you to be stressing yourself, working in the sun or anything. Anything you want that will make you happy, I will provide it for you. As for your mom operation, just pray that this business I'm expecting tonight should click. And once it's successful, forget everything. I will do that for you. I will just make sure your mom will be okay. Just be saying something, okay? Very good. Take it. I told you I will surprise you. You know what? From this day henceforth, this car belongs to you. I'm telling you, it's all yours. Okay? You're not a car owner. I told you I will surprise you.
It's not a joke, right?
I'm serious, it's all yours. Congrats.
I have a car. I have a car. I have a car.
It's all yours.
Thank you so much. Oh my god. No, no.
Yo, come on,
Thank you so much.
Come on. This is nothing. This is nothing. By tomorrow, I'll get the documents for you and I'll change the ownership to your name. And I'll change the front tire too.
It doesn't matter, whatever tire. I'm okay with this one. Thank you, Tuna.
You're welcome.
You're welcome. Thank you so much.
You're
So now
welcome.
I'm truly a car owner.
Hello, Kemi. Yes, Kemi, talk to me now. What is going on? You talk to me well. Maka, I dey hear you talk. But wait, they don't use my sister. Please, tell me, where are you right now? Let me come and meet you so that you will take me to the place. Fuck. Okay, see, I'm coming right now. Just stay there. The next 5 minutes you will see me. You will see me now.
Make you slow down. No shortcut in life. Make you take 'em jeje. Life no be by force. Anything you want to go get, you need to slow it down. Sister, you don't need to rush. Oh. The desire for flashy things, if it go put you for trouble, sister, slow it down. Because speed is the key, no. Sister, slow down. Take life with jeje, make you slow down. Because speed is the key, no. Sister, slow down. Shortcuts are dangerous. Take 'em jeje, oh. Speed is the key, no. Slow down. No shortcut in life. Make you take 'em jeje. Life no be by force. Anything you want to go get, you need to slow it down. Sister, you don't need to rush. Oh. The desire for flashy things, if it go put you for trouble, sister, slow it down. Because speed is the key, no. Sister, slow down. Take life with jeje, make you slow down. Because speed is the key, no. Sister,
Don't worry, I have the merchandise with me already. Yes, I have it with me. Okay, I'm bringing it to you right away. The usual spot, right? No problem. See you soon. Hello, Sparkle. Where did you put this? Where did you put the merchandise? I can't find it in my car. What the hell are you saying? You didn't put it in this car? Oh no! What kind of mistake is that, eh? What kind of mistake is that, Sparkle? See, let me tell you, if anything should go wrong, you won't like it. I will kill you myself. I promise you that. What the? Huh? And that is the car I gave to Wendy. I hope she's not. God. I hope she has not driven that car anywhere. I just hope she has not driven that car anywhere. I don't just want problem. She's not even picking. Ah. Oh God. She's not picking my call. What is all this now? What kind of carelessness is this now? Eh? What kind of carelessness is this?
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, ma. Please, what do you have in your boot?
Oh, nothing.
Are you sure?
Of course.
Okay, you can go.
Thank you, sir. Have a nice day.
All right.
Where are they? Mama, they're just doing their work now, nothing serious. That's what they, on busy roads like this, they stay in this place. So it's not a problem.
Wait.
Officer, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Where are you
Yes,
coming
sir.
from?
From the hospital.
From the hospital.
Yes, sir.
What do you have in the boot?
Nothing.
Just hold on.
Hello?
Sir, please describe the vehicle that was sent to my unit. There's a resemblance of that vehicle around me here now. Okay. Seems it's that.
Madam, please come down and open the boot. Let me see the contents.
Mama, don't worry. Let me just show them the boots. They are doing their jobs. The boot is empty.
What is in the nylon?
I don't know. My boyfriend gave me the car yesterday, so I didn't check.
Okay, let me. Jesus! Human head is here and two pistols. Yeah. Everybody should come down from the vehicle.
Officer, what are you saying?
Come here.
No. Officer,
Come down from this car.
Officer, wait. My boyfriend gave me this car yesterday. I haven't even had time to open this thing. I didn't even check.
But I don't have anything.
I don't know.
What I'm telling you is that let's go to the office.
Officer, but I am telling you the truth. I wouldn't. Oh, you man. Mama, they said you are aware that Donald gave me this car yesterday, right? And I came, I took you to the hospital.
Yes.
And we are just coming back from the hospital, right?
Yes.
And now they are saying they saw a human head. And two this. I don't know. I don't know what they're talking about. Mama, I have no idea. You know what? Let me just go. Let me bring my phone. Jesus, my head. Jesus. What's all this, God?
Officer, my daughter is.
Hello, Donald.
Come on, give me the phone.
Officer, I did not do
Capital
this.
offense. You are here making call.
Officer,
please close the boot and let's
Officer, wait, officer, my sister cannot do this kind of officer.
No,
She
there's
can't do
nothing
it.
you can beg about.
How will
Let's
I
go,
kill
let's go,
somebody?
let's go,
Like, how will I even have a gun?
Let's go.
Officer! Officer, please leave my sister. She's innocent, officer. Mama, what is it? Mama. Hey, Jesus! Hey! Officer! She's innocent! Mama, that is sick! Oh, somebody help me! Somebody, officers, please! Help me! I did not do this.
Go inside, go inside! Go inside!
My mother is dead! My mother is dead!
Come on!
Make you slow down, slow down. No shortcut in life. Make you take 'em J. Life no be by force. Anything you want to go get, you need to slow it down. Sister, you don't need to rush. Oh. The desire for flashy things, if it go put you for trouble, sister, slow it down. Because speed is the key, no. Sister, slow down. Take life with JJ. Make you slow down. Because speed is the kilo. Sister, slow down. Shortcuts are dangerous. Take 'em JJ.
Hello, Wendy. You need to keep your phone. I've been calling you. So, what are you saying now? Are they arresting you or what? See, you know what? I don't have an idea of what you're talking about, okay? Just sort yourself out. Sparkle! Sparkle!
For flashy things, if it go put you for trouble, sister, slow it down.
Listen, Morris. I know that we don't agree, but I've forgiven you. And I've also spoken with my friend, and she's forgiven you too. From my heart.
Thank you. I must say I am grateful and appreciate. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Dad? Is it the one?
Yes, Dad. He's the one that has been threatening my friend.
I know him.
Are you serious, Dad?
Yes. His father is a very nice man. But this boy, he stole. He stole from the father and eloped. Yes. By the time he returned, he couldn't even show remorse for what he did. And the father disowned him.
My goodness.
So that was then, sir. I mean, I'm a changed person now.
Are you going to keep quiet right now? Huh?
Sir.
I was supposed to come here with the police to arrest you for threatening the life of an innocent girl. You are lucky that I know your father. What I want you to do now is to accompany me to the police station and write an undertaking that you will never threaten her life again. That way, I can let you off the hook. Are you going to do that?
Most definitely, sir. I'm ready, sir.
Good.
No shortcut in life. Make you take 'em J. Life no be by force. Anything you want to go get, you need to slow it down. Sister, you don't need to rush. Oh. Desire for flashy things, if it go put you for trouble, sister, slow it down. Because speed is the key, no. Sister, slow